Feeling in the pink. Unraveling the meaning behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a colorful English expression, feeling in the pink. This phrase is rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can add a vibrant layer to your English conversations. So, let's explore what it means to feel in the pink, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily English communication. Feeling in the pink is an idiomatic expression that means feeling in perfect health or being in the best possible condition. It's used to describe not just physical health but also a general state of well-being. When someone says they are feeling in the pink, they are expressing that they are feeling exceptionally well, both physically and emotionally. The phrase, "in the pink," has a fascinating history. It's believed to have originated from the 16th century, where the word pink was used to describe something as the very pinnacle of quality or excellence. The association with health came later, and over time, "in the pink" became synonymous with being in top health. The color pink itself is often associated with good health and vitality, which further solidifies the connection between the phrase and the concept of well-being. Incorporating "feeling in the pink" into your conversations is a great way to express your state of well-being in a creative and colorful way. Here are a few examples. After recovering from a cold, you might say, "I'm finally feeling in the pink again." When someone asks how you're doing, and you're feeling great, you can respond with, "I'm feeling in the pink. Thanks for asking." To encourage someone who is recovering from an illness, you might say, "I hope you'll be feeling in the pink soon." Now that you know about the phrase, "feeling in the pink," you can add it to your English vocabulary to express well-being and perfect health in a fun and engaging way. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions like this one is a fantastic method to enrich your English language skills and connect more deeply with native speakers. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling in the pink today. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.